Welcome to the channel where we share beauty and positive vibes from Tenerife, maybe in the future from another islands. And today from Puerto de la Cruz again, where I live in this amazing small town. Yeah, okay, small city. Now let's see. Beautiful small street called Camino Sitio Litre. Famous historical. With El Nino. This is El Nino. People ask me about his name. His name is El Nino. Remember, famous miniature pincher. Very intelligent, very sporty, loyal, best friend. What would you say to have platanos in your garden like that? Lovely. That's why I call this place paradise. Just lovely. Looks so naked now. This part was full of bushes, full of flowers. They cut it off everything. A very historical balcony. And behind this wall there's a private garden with many orchids. Entrance is not for free, but it's not that expensive. You can see something special, drink some coffee. They are open until 2:30 daily, they say, PM. We are late here. So that was Camino Sitio Litre. So hot now. The bridge over Barranco Martianes down there. You can see the wind. I should put some oil. I would like to see all those parts moving. How to tell them? Who knows? Somebody is thirsty here. Oh Okay. So see you in my next video maybe. All the best from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.